Wall Street showdown, AI versus humans. The financial world watched with bated breath as the ultimate battle between man and machine unfolded. A year-long competition was underway, pitting the sharpest minds on Wall Street against an AI-powered trading bot designed to revolutionize the trading landscape. Could artificial intelligence outmaneuver seasoned professionals? The stakes were high and the tension was palpable. Both human teams and the AI bot received the same access to market data, news feeds, and trading tools, ensuring a level playing field. The goal achieved the highest return on investment by the year's end. Every decision, every trade, could tip the scales. Human traders relied on intuition and experience honed over years, while the AI processed vast amounts of data at lightning speed, identifying patterns invisible to the human eye. The competition was fierce, with both sides scoring impressive wins and weathering unexpected market swings. Each victory and setback was a testament to the evolving dynamics of modern trading. At the heart of the AI's success was its ability to process and analyze massive datasets in real time. The AI trading bot utilized machine learning, constantly evolving and refining its strategies. It employed complex algorithms to execute trades, considering factors like market volatility and news sentiment. This high-frequency trading strategy allowed the AI to make numerous small profits that added up over time. The AI's emotional detachment gave it a significant edge in the volatile world of finance. As the competition progressed, a clear pattern emerged. The AI trading bot consistently outperformed its human counterparts. While human traders experienced periods of both gain and loss, the AI's growth was steady and impressive. At the end of the year-long competition, the AI trading bot emerged as the clear victor. The AI's victory sent shockwaves through the financial world, demonstrating the transformative power of AI. The competition provided invaluable insights into the strengths and weaknesses of both human and AI traders. The AI's victory raised profound questions about the future of Wall Street and the role of human traders. The landscape of finance was shifting rapidly, and uncertainty loomed large. Would robots replace human traders altogether? The fear of job displacement was palpable. Many wondered if their skills would become obsolete in the face of advancing technology. AI could automate many routine tasks, but human expertise